Hi, this is Paul from CountryCraziness.com, where we test the tools we use and the toys we play with. Today, Adam is going to demonstrate how he loads his ATV onto his pickup truck and secures it safely for travel. So stay tuned. Step 1, use quality ramps. We've got rev arc ramps here. They're curved, gives you a good field of view, and also the curve on them makes them very strong. Notice that Adam's got the ratchet straps tied off between the ramps, and he uses the holes on the hitch where he normally would put safety chains to ratchet them in.
Actually ended up going up a little bit crooked. We don't use those for this kind of stuff.
Next, use quality ratchet straps. We've got two different kind of straps that we're using. These yellow ones come from Harbor Freight. They're nice and wide, and they've got good ratchet on them. We also use green straps that we got from Advanced Auto Parts, and they work equally as well. You see some frustration being expressed on Adam's face because somebody put these back in the bag and made a mess out of them.
Oh, the other thing is too is if you're putting it in a pick.
After you've done the job and you've got it secured the way you want to, take pictures so the next time that you do the job, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can see how you put them in. Compress your suspension. Here Adam's putting ratchet straps over the front end and tying down the front end with the ratchets to keep it secure.
On the road. I gotta put some more straps.
You want to strap and compress the rear end also. This particular vehicle's got four-wheel independent suspension, so he's using a separate strap for each rear wheel and pulling the suspension down so it doesn't bounce around on the back of the truck. Secure your ramps. Once you've got the vehicle put on the way you want to, put your ramps underneath the ATV between the wheels and use a ratchet strap to hold it in place.
You ain't going anywhere. Watching what I'm doing right now is completely useless. I'm just trying to keep my ratchet straps from blowing all over going down the highway. I had one.
Finally, tie up the loose ends of your straps so they don't go flopping around in the wind. You can see these straps are extremely long because we use them for more than one purpose. Note the high center of gravity now that the ATV is on the back of the truck. This is going to make the truck more top heavy than it normally is, and it is going to affect the ride and the handling as you go down the highway. If you're going down at high speeds and if there's a high wind, keep your coffee cup in the holder and use both hands on the wheel. And finally, when you're taking the ATV back down, make sure you secure the straps because the ATV is going to want to push those ramps away from the truck. So it's extremely important that you have those straps on tightly.
You good?
And we're unloaded and we're into our new barn. If you follow these best practices, you'll protect others around you as well as yourself, and you'll find that your equipment arrives safe, ready for use. We hope you subscribe to our channel. Just click on our little logo up there in the corner. And until next time, this is Paul saying, have a good afternoon.